Hi viewers, welcome to my channel The Math Habit. Today I'm here with another tricky and very interesting math problem, and I'll provide an easiest method to you guys. So follow me for the solution and let's directly go for the solution of this problem. As our problem is 6 to the power a into 6 to the power a is equal to 60, and we have to evaluate the value of a here. As by one of the math formulas, a power n into a power m, then we can write this expression as a power n plus m. So if we apply this formula to the left hand side of this equation, then we'll get 6 to the power a plus a is equal to 60, and this will become 6 to the power 2 a is equal to 60. Now here we'll use log on both sides of the equation, and we'll get log 6 power 2a is equal to log 60. Now at this moment we'll use another math formula. According to that formula, log a power r can be written as r log a. So this will be written as 2a log 6 is equal to log 60. Now we'll divide both sides with log 6 for further evaluation, and by doing so this and this will be cancelled out, and 2a will be equal to log, if we separate 60 then we can write it at 6 into 10 divided by log 6. Now here we will apply log AB formula, as by this formula log AB can be written as log A plus log B. So if we apply this formula to log 6 into 10, then we can write it as 2a is equal to log 6 plus log 10 whole divided by log 6. And at this moment, by separating the fraction, we will write it as log 6 divided by log 6 plus log 10 divided by log 6. This and this will be cancelled out, and the expression will become 1 plus log, we can write log 10 as log 5 into 2 divided by log 6. Again, by applying this formula to log 5 into 2, we'll have 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 6. Now if we separate the fraction again, we'll get 1 plus log 5 divided by log 6 plus log 2 divided by log 6. 1 plus log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6. This is the value of 2a. Now if we divide both sides by 2a, we'll get the value of a as 1 plus log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6 whole divided by 2, and this is the value of a we have found out through this method. So it's time to verify the answer we have found, whether it is satisfying our equation or not. So for verification, we all know that we'll put the values of a in the given equation, which was 6a into 6a should be equal to 60. So as the value of a will become 6 into 6 power 2a is equal to 60, and the value of a is 6 power 2 into 1 plus log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6 whole divided by 2 is equal to 60. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and we will get only 1 plus log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6 is equal to 60. We can separate this as 6 power 1 into 6 power log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6 is equal to 60. Now this 6 and this 6 will be cancelled out the log and we'll get only 5. 6 into 5, here we'll get only 2 and 6 5s are 30 and 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Hence prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and our answer, which was 1 plus log 5 base 6 plus log 2 base 6, is satisfying our equation, which was 6a into 6a is equal to 60. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit for more interesting videos. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care, bye.